Imagine a small island, thousands of miles from any continent. This is Easter Island, a place of stunning beauty and deep mystery. Volcanic peaks rise from the Pacific Ocean, their slopes covered in lush vegetation. The air is filled with the sound of crashing waves and the cries of seabirds. But Easter Island is more than just a beautiful place. It is home to one of the most intriguing archaeological sites in the world. Scattered across the island are hundreds of giant statues, known as Moai. These enigmatic figures have captured people's imaginations for centuries. The Moai are the most visible reminder of a lost civilization. The people who carved these statues, the Rapa Nui, created a complex culture in this isolated environment. Their story is a story of ingenuity, resilience, and, ultimately, perhaps, the dangers of environmental overexploitation. Easter Island is a place where the past feels very present. It is a reminder of the power of human creativity and the fragility of human societies. In the shadow of the Moai, we are forced to confront some of the biggest questions about our own place in the world. The Moai are the most iconic feature of Easter Island. These massive stone statues, carved in the likeness of human heads and torsos, stand watch over the island like ancient guardians. Their size and number are impressive. Most of the Moai are between 13 and 30 feet tall. Some unfinished figures are even larger. They weigh many tons each, carved from volcanic rock with simple tools. Imagine the effort involved in carving and transporting these giants across the island. The meaning of the Moai is still debated. Most archaeologists believe they represent important ancestors of the Rapa Nui people. It is possible that they were seen as protectors or sources of spiritual power. Whatever their original purpose, the Moai are a testament to the skill and artistry of their creators. They are a powerful reminder of the enduring human desire to leave a mark on the world. The spectacular landscape of Easter Island is a direct result of its fiery origins. The island is actually the top of a massive underwater volcano, formed by a series of eruptions over millions of years. 3 extinct volcanoes dominate the island: Ranokau, Poik, and Terevaka. Easter Island's volcanic past is visible everywhere. Craters, lava flows, and volcanic rock formations create a rugged and beautiful landscape. The Moai themselves are carved from volcanic tuff, a relatively soft rock formed from compressed volcanic ash. The volcanic activity that created Easter Island also provided resources for the Rapa Nui people. The fertile volcanic soil supported agriculture, and the volcanic rock provided the material for their tools and statues. However, the island's isolation also made it vulnerable. Limited resources meant that the Rapa Nui had to carefully manage their environment. Their story is a reminder of the delicate balance between humans and nature. Section 4. The Rapa Nui, People of the Sea and Sky. The Rapa Nui people arrived on Easter Island sometime between the 9th and 12th centuries AD. Their origins are shrouded in mystery, but linguistic and genetic evidence suggests that they sailed from East Polynesia, perhaps from the Marquesas Islands. Imagine the courage it took to embark on such a journey. They sailed across thousands of miles of open ocean in double-hulled canoes, navigating by the stars and currents. They brought with them their language, their culture, and their skills as farmers, fishermen, and builders. Upon reaching Easter Island, the Rapa Nui established a thriving society. They built villages, raised crops, and fished in the rich waters surrounding the island. They developed a complex social structure and a rich spiritual life, as evidenced by the Moai and other archaeological remains. The Rapa Nui were also skilled astronomers and navigators. They used the stars to guide their voyages, and developed a unique lunar calendar based on their observations of the moon. Their knowledge of the sea and sky was essential for survival on this isolated island. Section 5. The Mystery in Motion. How did they move? One of the most enduring mysteries of Easter Island is how the Rapa Nui moved the massive Moai statues. These multi-ton figures were carved in quarries and then transported to locations all over the island, sometimes for miles. Theories abound, ranging from the plausible to the fantastical. Some researchers believe the statues were moved on rollers made from logs, while others suggest they were walked upright by teams of people using ropes. Experiments have been conducted with replica statues to test these theories. While no single method has been definitively proven, it's clear that moving the Moai would have required tremendous ingenuity, cooperation, and resources. The mystery of the moving Moai is a reminder of the extraordinary engineering feats that ancient civilizations were capable of achieving. It also highlights the importance of teamwork and innovation in overcoming seemingly impossible challenges.